Ladies and gentlemen, today I am standing here to deliver a speech on a very close-in topic. This is about the real meaning of education. But before that, I like to say thanks to giving me this chance. Now I'm going to start my speech. Can I ask something? What is education? Education is not a thing that you think. It is something more of it. Education is something make you yours. Education is something that can provide your way and achieve something in your life. Now just I want to talk about why it is important. Why are you all sitting here learning something? Suppose a situation you are not educated. How can you survive in a society? Are you able to pay your bill? Are you able to feed your family? Are you able to change social outlook? Are you able to change without education? No, because education is very important for all of us. In case you want to change the mentality of human, in case you want to earn, in case you want to luxurious life, education is everywhere. Education is very important for all of us. Education is a key to success. That's all.